हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पारुल किड्स टीवी। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको इन कलरफुल पेन से ABCD लिखना सिखाएंगे, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
F for fish,
G for goat,
G for goat,
H for hand,
H for hand,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
J for joker,
J for joker,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for monkey,
M for monkey,
N for nest,
N for nest,
O for orange,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
P for parrot,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rabbit,
R for rabbit,
S for sun,
S for sun,
T for tiger,
T for tiger,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
V for van,
W for watch,
W for watch,
X for xylophone,
X for xylophone,
Y for yak,
Y for yak,
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching.